Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. I have two new sticker books from Planything that are going to be releasing tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 21st, I believe. It's the start of the Black Friday sale from Planything, which is really exciting because if you ever wanted to try Planything, tomorrow is going to be a good day to start because not only are there new sticker books coming out, but some of the older sticker books are going to be 50% off. So anything that was before the November release will be half off during this Black Friday sale that starts when these release too. So definitely check it out. I'll have it all linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. I believe the discount code I have will work on these though. I'm not sure. Try it out. But if not, if you're looking to get more of the older books that are half off, those should be discounted on the site. So in this video, I'm just going to flip through these two new books. So we have Planything Favorite Florals. It's actually a 40-page sticker book. And then we have a 60-page sticker book called Fun Alphabet. This one looks really cool. And then tomorrow on release day, I'm going to have a video either using one or both, combo, just a video actually showing how to use these. In this video, I'm just going to do a flip through. And then I just wanted to show this really cute card that comes in the package, a little thank you card. Like, look how adorable that is. I love that map. That is so cool. All right, so gonna flip through these. I actually want to flip through the Favorite Florals. So these are florals that Planything has used in the past. So that's really cool to see. So let me raise this up a little bit. All right, just so you can get a little bit of a closer view. And we can flip through this book. So again, 40 pages in this one. And all of these, like all the clear stickers are like the nice matte clear. But look at these purples and blues. Those are really pretty. So you get two sheets that are the same. Some bouquets in the clear. Pinks and purples in this one. That one's really pretty, kind of like spring vibes. And then you get the functional sticker sheets. These are paper. Bullet points, circles, and boxes in coordinating colors. I love this page, this like dark, it's like a dark blue, black, gray color scheme. So pretty. And I love that she includes like them all separate because I like making my own clusters. So we have two sheets like that. You could have like a whole book of those. Then we get the bouquets, some side pieces, more of the blue. This is kind of like a chocolatey brown, I think. At least that's what it's looking like to me. More blues and yellows. And then the boxes, circles, and bullet points. I'm loving that she's including bullet points now. Some neutral florals. The bouquets. Pinks and oranges on this one. And then the boxes, functional page. That's pretty. I love that deep like plum color. And then all of them together. Boxes. Ooh, the tropical. I love a good tropical floral spread, so love these. That one's so cute with the flamingo. And then the coordinating functional sheets. Ooh, and then we have some quotes, or like words. So live, blossom, happy, grow, love, day, flowers, florals grow, bloom, happy, flourish, love. And these are all clear. That's fun. The font style is cute. All right, so that is Favorite Florals. 40 pages in this one. And yeah, all the favorite florals from the past. It's really cool to see them all in one book. Now, next is a Fun Alphabet, which is really exciting to see because I don't think Planything's done an alphabet book. I know there's been like alphabet stickers in books, think. Or maybe I'm remembering wrong. But look how fun this is. Ooh, that's really cool. So that font's really nice with the yellow, blue, and pink color scheme. Some big ones and small ones. So you have 2 sheets of those. So plenty of A's and all the vowel ones, which is good. Here's Q through Z. And then I through P. Oh, it's a little out of order, so I think, yeah. Then we have just straight black, but I love like the little like tail ends, like the little swirls. Those are cool. Like that E. They're all different. There's a few different varieties, so that'll be fun to like put together. And these have been all clear so far. So G through L, M through R, S through Z. Okay, then we have, ooh, this is a pretty like pastel, very springy vibes. Different size fonts, which is nice, a little variety. And M through R, S through Z. Cool, so this one has like 2 different types of green in this font style. Pink and blue. I'm sorry, like pink and purple. Ay. Okay, look at this one. This one's kind of similar to this one that was in this book with the like design within the letters, which is that's a really fun look. So A through N. Oh, actually it's not really A through N. Because it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh no, it is. I don't know what I'm talking about. Never mind. Okay, so A through N. Then O through Z. Yeah, that's different. I like that. More bubbly kind of letters here. A through H. These would be fun for like a birthday spread. Kind of reminds me of like a balloon. The balloon letters. I really like these because they're very like simple and like clean, and just that little like star design in it is really cool. And then you get some lowercase and uppercase. I like the mix. So A through F, G through L, M through R, S through X, and Y. Oh, and then, oh, nice, extra vowels. That's really nice. All right, I've seen these. This is what I've seen before, like this style, where it's like, looks like little, like bubbly, scalloped looking font. I've seen this kind of style in another one of her books. So A through L. And then M through Z. Okay, this one is perfect for Halloween spreads with like that drippy, like spooky look. So A through N, definitely will save for next year for that. Q or O through Z. Oh, look at this one. This one's fun. This one has like really exaggerated like little swirls. So I really like that one. Again, more of the like upper and lowercase lettering, so you can mix it up, which is really nice. It's J through R, and then S through Z. Oh, perfect. And then we do get like the more like balloon letters. Another perfect one for birthdays. So A through M. I ran out of all these kind of stickers in my book, so Now I'm glad to have a couple more for some spreads. It's really pretty colors. So you get like more of the gold and then like a rose gold pink color tone. These are pretty. All right, so that is the last font style. I really like that book. That one's gonna be fun. So I probably will be using, I think I might do like a special page. You know, Christmas is coming up. We need lots of those fun special pages. So definitely stay tuned for that because that'll be up on release day. I'm gonna have fun with at least one of these books or maybe both. We'll see what happens. But yeah, definitely check out Planything. I will have my affiliate link down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. Remember to check out all those other sticker books. I use Planything books all the time and love the decorative stickers and all the florals and all that stuff from these books. So definitely check out Planything if you are interested in purchasing from that Black Friday sale. It's a pretty good sale for half off, which is a good deal. And then these won't be half off, but I think you might be able to use my discount code, which is 10% off. So definitely try to at least input that in if you are interested in purchasing. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video.